Batman Snack has modern SUVs. The highest passability is still in the wild. The terrain is an obstacle to overcome which they are unable to overcome. Strength is precisely why the company Dead Men of Rods is offered to stuff the car here. Such an anchor is made of soft non-branded material, almost does not take space and therefore convenient to store. You can catch I cry practically for any object paired with the winches will help the SUV to get out of deep sand or overcome steep. A lifting system of belts makes an anchor convenient for fastening to stones and trees. I also don't have anything like that nearby. It can be buried in the ground in this case. You'll do just fine with his two features. The price starts at $180. Then about with this device the fear of drowning. You will never be bothered by Van Pro again. This is the world's first life-saving equipment, able to hold a person's head above water even if it is located. The unconscious secret lies in the well-thought-out design of Vans is worn on the neck and in the initial state all the time. Analyzes the condition of the owner. Device notices that a person is in danger. She starts to sound a message about because he's going to pout in this one moment it can be turned off at necessary. If this does not happen, around the neck is automatically inflated for a couple of moments, sticking out his head, owners above the surface and saving him. At the same time, he does not fetter his life with this movement and suitable for all types. The price of water activities starts at $180. Bio skirts protect personal computer from potential threats in the form of unwanted. The following device will help users. From our list of battle skirts are given technology with the possibility of biometrics. Identification device looks like. However, the flash drive has a scanner on the body, fingerprint if correct, program settings on the computer itself. Battle skirts will work only in that if the owner provided appropriate access to the user can be protected in a similar way, arbitrarily as a system completely end. Individual programs folders or for example, cloud storage price is $80. Unix, recognition of objects and persons in the mode, real-time 3D laser printing, engraving, drawing and lifting small objects from, easily copes with all these tasks. The only modular one, the device's robotic arm, is an American development will become a valuable assistant for any creative. A person having compact dimensions. The robot is easy, fits on the table and takes up a minimum useful rotation space by 120 degrees, load capacity of 750 grams and movement speed of 500 millimeters in a second. The merits and the price will become valuable. Starts at $550. Q on the beach and in which region are you? Did not live hot or cold products. Quantum of vision and will help support optimal temperature around the ponds and the Canadian developers did. Smart socks and gloves made of breathable fabric and with built-in sensors which constantly measures the temperature and regulate according to set glove parameters. Good also because some interfere. Use touch surfaces. Working time after one charge vary from 6 to 50 hours of charging. Products of quantum of age and in most other gadgets with the help of the cable house. A set of socks and gloves will do a minimum of $380. You apart. Any smartphone has a huge number, small gaps and harder to reach places, which complicates its cleaning problem. This is completely resolved by purchase. A single device worth $30 you apart is a multi-tool with 5 different nozzles. The first 3 are ideal for removing dirt and from harder-to-reach areas. The last 2 places are already intended for cleaning the cable from dirt. Music. How build the Instep with this device worth $50. Getting into the car will become a lot. It's easier for the specialists of the Power Build company. Created a fold-in portable step, which in a matter of seconds, installed on a car wheel, it can withstand up to 136 kilograms. Load and can serve for themselves different purposes. For example, to make it more convenient, sits in the cabin or for fast access to the roof rack and body contents. Sous Chef 5-in-1 to prepare balanced meals in times faster and easier to turn. Attention on land is multifunctional, a device that will replace it with its presence. 5 others useful in the kitchen at once. First of all, the device of a sous chef is a board. Board cutting is made of Canadian maple surface resistant to appearance, scratches and has antibacterial properties. Properties side part is equipped compact kitchen scales which allow you to accurately follow the grams cue. They are able to work with different dishes, like a digital timer at the bottom of the scale. There is a knife sharpener at last. A portable stand is hidden inside. For a smartphone, The price per set is $150. To create, mixture can be removed. Warren Gentry with smart concept. We are already doing well with fitness bracelet. They consider calories burned as familiar. Track activity during the day and make the way to health and slimness. Much more convenient for the same comas. The bracelet will turn out to be too bulky and causes discomfort. Finnish company has developed an alternative smart fitness. The ring works in tandem with a mobile phone application and performs a whole set. Useful functions are monitored by quality, sleep, heart rhythm, female cycle, amount of oxygen in the blood, temperature, body, and many other things happen at 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The ring looks stylish and not a very bright accessory for its price. $400. Look at but the device is designed to increase safety of its owner on the road. Look at this tiny camera installed on the rear license plate of the car and then transfers images on smartphone owners. Connection completely wireless installation can be done with your own hands for 10 minutes and the rotation of the camera is adjustable. At 45 degrees in general, camera provides a view of 100 degrees. The quality of the transmitted image, enough to see the road and the object on it in the smallest detail. Purchase will cost at least $100. But deconti septic tanks with a tizer and gradually became an integral part life of a person, and now it is possible. Bring out the convenience of using them on the new level of fashion is me stylish. A bracelet that allows you to always hold antiseptic at hand in the literal sense. Pressing the button activates the spray, which sprays a small amount. Tools right in the palm of fashion. Supplied in a pair with a Yaku capsule. Will have to be supplemented independently. One full capsule is enough for 100 times. We spray the price from $15 because the wedge is primarily its wedge. A portable, tiny, and powerful vacuum cleaner, which is convenient to store even in the glove compartment. It is suitable for cleaning large and small debris thanks to 3 removable nozzle and convenient for removing dirt from hard-to-reach places. For example, for cleaning. Keyboard battery charge is enough for 40 minutes of cleaning. Also the device. There is also a mini pump, which can be filled in a matter of seconds. Air toy ball or mattress price. Novelties from $45. Here, hey, stop being lazy. Let's recharge our brains. Welcome to Brian's channel. Incredible events of the past and present and even future exuberance. Shocking facts of nature and the animal world. And unsolved mysteries. All this and many more. You will find the rest here. Subscribe. You won't regret it.